Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Kuldeep here, and today we will see how to reverse a string in Java. Okay, so let's start. So let me create one class here. I will name the class as string reverse. Okay, and select this public static void main from here. There are multiple approaches to reverse the string. So let's start with the first approach. So as for the first approach, we need to take a string which we need to reverse. I will take one string as automation. Okay, and this is the string which we need to reverse. So basically I need to print this string in the reverse order. My string in the reverse order will be NOIT and so on. Okay, and after that I will take another string which will be empty initially, and that will be used to store the reverse string. So I will write as the string rev equals to empty. So basically we will be using this to keep the reverse string. Okay, so now let's see how we can reverse the string. Let's get the length of this string. So I will write the string dot length. Okay, so this is the length function. So to get the length of particular string, and let's store it inside an integer variable. So I will write the string len equals to string length. Let's print out the value of the length here. So and let's execute it. So here we can see that the length of this string is 10 here. And if we talk about the indexing start from the 0. So the total indexes in this string are 9 here. Okay, I will use one for loop for int I equals to length minus 1. Okay, I am keeping the length minus 1 because index starts from the 0 and the length of this string is 10. So the total index count is the 9 here. Okay, and what we need to do here, we need to basically traverse from last of the index. That's why I have written here int I equals to length minus 1. So basically our loop will pick last value from the index. Okay, after that I should be greater than equals to 0, and let's decrement the value of I by 1. Okay, now what we need to do, we need to write the str dot caret, and let's store this value inside our empty string. Okay, right. So what will be happen here, once the loop will be start, the value of I is length minus 1, which is 9. Okay, and it is greater than equals to 0. So the controls comes inside this for loop, and here character at I means the value at the 9th index, which is n here, it will be stored in our empty string. Okay, so we will add that value into our reverse string and assign the same in our empty string. For the next time the value of I will be decremented to 1. Okay, so that means the I becomes 8 here, and again controls comes to the inside this loop, and the value will be O here. Okay, so in the same way the loop will be continued till the value of I becomes greater than equals to 0, and we are storing the same value inside our empty string. Now simply print out the string where we have stored our reverse string. So I will write as okay. Okay, let's execute this program and see what is the output here. So simply right click, run as Java application. Okay, so you can see here the value of automation has been reversed and it has been printed here. So this is the first approach to reverse the string. Okay, now let's see what is the second approach. So guys, the second approach is like we can reverse the string using the string buffer class as well. I will simply create an object of the string buffer class and simply reverse the string with the inbuilt reverse function. Okay, so I will write the string buffer sb equals to new string buffer. and pass the string which you want to reverse. So say like I write the testing, okay, and now use with the help of SB object, there is a method called reverse, so we can simply use it and let's print it out. Okay, let's write in this way using a string buffer class. Okay, so let's execute and see what is the output here. Okay, so you can see like it has printed the testing in the reverse order here. Okay, so guys, there is another approach. So this is the third approach. Okay, so we can use the string builder class as well to print the string in the reverse order. So I will write the string builder stb equals to new string builder. Okay, and let's use some other string here. So I will write the selenium. Okay, string builder class also provides one method, that is the reverse. So I will write the stb dot reverse. Okay, and we can again simply print it out. So I will write in this way using string builder class. Okay, let's execute this program and see what is the output here. So simply right click, run a Java application. Okay, so here you can see like it has printed the selenium in the reverse order as well. Okay, so here we have seen the three approaches to reverse the string. Okay, so guys, I hope that it helps you. That's it for the today's video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.